Step 1. Place your desktop upside down on top of your work surface so that the pre-drilled holes are facing up. Step 2. Screw 4 assembly pins into metal screw sockets. This can be started by hand and finished with a Phillips screwdriver. Step 3. Ensure arrows on 4 assembly cam housing units are facing assembly pins. Once complete, gently slide modesty panel onto assembly pins. Step 4. Now that your modesty panel is sitting on assembly pins, use a Phillips head to turn assembly cam housing units clockwise 90 degrees. Step 5. Set each leg on top of the 8 pre-drilled holes on each side of the desk. Make sure the metal plate of the leg is facing towards the inside of the desk. Step 6. Screw in 16 metal leg screws using a Phillips screwdriver while applying light pressure. Step 7. While applying light pressure, screw in angle bracket to connect legs and modesty panel. Step 8. Attach metal extension plate to the underside of your desk using 2 plate extension screws, flat bottom. At this point you may choose which side your return will be on. Step 9. Set 24-inch metal leg on top of and pre-drilled holes. Step 10. Screw in 8 metal screws using Phillips head screwdriver while applying light pressure. Step 11. Flip your return upright and carefully set on top of metal extension plates. Step 12. Screw in remaining 4 metal extension plate screws underneath your desk. Done. Now your creative space is ready for action.